Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this GTM mini course video, today I want to show you about the timer event setup by Google Tag Manager. So how can you set up a timer event on your website? For this, at first we want to talk about why you need this. So you will need this because, so for example, if a visitor spend much time on your website, then you may decide that visitor is very important for your business because they are interested in your business. That's why they spend much time on your business compared to the on that those just visit your website and go away. So for that you have to track your business timer through the timer. So you have to set up this on your website. So at first we want to set up this with Google Tag Manager. So let's go to the Google Tag Manager. So when you set up a timer event, you have to send this to any of the platform that need this timer event. So for example, you need to send this event to event manager, or you can send this to I can say GA4, Google Analytics 4. So any of the platform can do that, or need that. So at first we have to create a trigger for that. So there is not any necessary variable, so we just need to create trigger. For this, click new, then click trigger configuration. After that we can find the timer. Now here we can see that we have to input the information needed in milliseconds. So uh, 10,000 is 10 second. We can google this, 10 seconds to millisecond. So we get the 10,000. Okay, copy it. So for example, just for example purpose, I am setting this 10 second. You can set this as your requirement. So this is 10 second limit. So what is the maximum fire limit? So for default we can set this to. This means if we set this to, then it will just fire 2 times in that's it. Now when it will fire the timer event. So for that we have to select page URL, because we want to set this in every page. So for that we have to click page URL, then click the match regex. This is the parameter we need. After that, to paste this or to select this in every page, you have to write star and dot and star. That's it. Is this means every page URL your visitor visits, this timer event will fire. That's it. Now let's rename this timer trigger. Now click save. Our trigger is done. So let's do this in our Facebook business manager. We want to send the event to Facebook business manager. For that we will need a Facebook pixel ID. So here I am in a Facebook business manager, and we are in a events manager. Now click copy the ID and go to Google Tag Manager. Now we have to set up the tags. To set up the tag, click new, tag configuration, uh, Facebook pixel. If you don't have this, you have to install it before selecting this. To do that, go to discover. Now you will get a search option. You have to search this Facebook pixel, then you have to add this. I hope you can add that. Just click on the name and click add. Okay, now let's paste the pixel code here. Now we have to we have this is a custom event. For that, click custom. Now we have set up this 10-second event, so let's write 10 sec. That's it. We have done this custom event setup. If we set up the standard event, then we will need to click standard. Anyway, now we will send the other parameter later. We are just doing a basic setup. Now we have to set the triggering. To set the triggering, we need to click trigger, then find the trigger we have created, timer trigger. That's it. We are done. Now just name this timer tag uh, FB. FB means Facebook. Now click save. Perfect. Now we have a workspace changes. For that, click submit. Here you can see set a description name, sorry, descriptive name, timer trigger setup. Done. Publish. Let's go to the test events, and here let's go to the preview. This is a demo website. We'll put the link in the form. Here, connect. It will open the preview window. Now we will wait 10 seconds. 1 2 3. I hope it will fire soon. Here we can see the events also. Yeah, 10-second custom timer event for just fired. Here you can see, yes, 10-second custom event just fired. This is how you can track your website visitors, visiting data or visiting timer. Through this timer event, you can track the visitors and retarget them, anything you want. That's it. Thank you very much for listening to me. We will see you in later videos. Thank you.